Welcome back to Add Art. Today's video is going to take us all the way back to the Stone Age, over 800,000 years ago. There we'll learn how to draw and all about this woolly mammoth. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. So wrap up warm because the Ice Age was really chilly. First we'll start by drawing the mammoth's eyes. And we'll have it looking down angrily at the Neanderthal that we'll put in later. Next, let's put its trunk in. Now this isn't smooth, it's woolly. We'll leave a gap where we'll put the tusk in a minute. Then let's curve this up and around. And put the end on here. We'll continue with this matted, hairy, woolly trunk. And people are still discovering mammoths to this day, especially with climate change. The permafrost in Siberia is revealing more of them. Let's put its tusk in. And apparently if you discover one of these tusks, they're worth a lot of money. Bring that round here. And we'll curve it just behind there. Cheek in, bring that down, and then we'll put some fur sticking out where that enters the face. Put the other tusk in the other side of the trunk, and we'll continue with the head up here. And they have almost like this shaggy hair. And they had smaller ears than elephants of today. That was to stop them from getting frostbite and to stop heat loss. They had this large lump on the back here, and scientists think this was to store fat during winter months. Finish off its head. And continue with the body here. Finish off the trunk, tidy it up before I forget. So let's put one of the legs in here. And they're actually not as big as you may think. They're probably similar size to a modern elephant, African elephant. Let's put its shaggy belly in there. The wool on a mammoth was actually made of a combination of longer hairs and shorter hairs to help it stay warm and to insulate it. Let's put that back foot in. Okay, let's put his toenails in. Now there is some evidence that Stone Age people used the tusks of mammoths to create shelters and tools and furniture, so let's draw a Stone Age Neanderthal hunter. And they used to hunt mammoths in groups, but we'll just have one guy here. That's probably why he's going to look a little bit terrified. Put beard in. Scared mouth. And worried eyebrows. And long matted hair. Wouldn't have had shampoo and showers in those days. Okay, let's bring his arm up and round, holding a spear. We'll have him wearing furs. Again, to help keep him warm. Spear up. Let's continue with those furs. Have him leaning back away from this mammoth who looks like he's going to bonk him on the head with the trunk. Put his foot in here. Have this leg bent at the back, leaning away. The foot bent. Okay, give him some hairy legs. Bring this arm up and around, and we can finish his Stone Age spear, which, as the name suggests, would have had a stone tip on the end. Not much defense against a huge creature like the mammoth. Okay, let's put some background in. Maybe a cave entrance where this Neanderthal lives. Some mountains in the background here. Let's give him a fire in the entrance of his cave here. Some Stone Age paintings, figures and depictions of woolly mammoths. Some trees. Now, most mammoths died out about 10,000 years ago, but some of them survived and were still roaming the earth only 4,000 years ago. Okay, let's put some stone detail in the foreground here. And let's make the mammoth really woolly as well. Put some of those hairs in to keep it warm. And there we have it. There is our woolly mammoth and terrified stone-aged man. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.